Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Dave, and we're working on a Grand Design Solitude. And Dave's going to show us, he's up here actually, as you can see, he's removing everything from the whole complete roof. And so all the air conditioners are off, skylights are off, vents are off. Looked like it had some solar panels, correct?
Yes.
And side seams and all that kind of fun stuff. And so, okay, Dave, the floor is yours, bud. What's going on?
So the reason we're doing a roof replacement is we have dry rot here.
And is that the little hole?
Found it, yep. Found it with, Zach came up and literally stepped here, found this little pinhole, and we got a roof job out of it, a roof replacement. And you can see this little pinhole. I mean, it's no bigger than...
That's tiny.
Yeah, I mean, like a millimeter. And look at the damage that a millimeter can do to your entire roof.
Wow.
We're looking at least 2 sheets. It's gotten into the framing.
Oh yeah, it sure did.
So we're gonna have to cut all this out and replace all this framing, and we don't know how far back it goes until it's exposed, but you can see how important it is to maintain your roof and to keep it sealed.
Even the wiring that was there. Oh yeah, it started getting into the sheeting as well.
Yeah. So
yeah, very good advice. So make sure, like you can see all the mold and stuff that was going on. And look, this is OSB, folks, so you can see how rotted it is. And, and it goes pretty far back too. That was around, what was that, a TV antenna?
This was it was
like a Air 360 Wine Guard.
Yeah.
So just that small little pinhole to give you guys a comparison of like how big our fingers are to that little bitty hole. This is just another important reason why you want to come in and have your roof inspected. Don't ignore it. Also, we talk a lot about how the side seams only have sealant on the top edge of those and other moldings. And if you look down here, and let me see if I can flap that one back over, you see all the dirt and water that had got past that molding all the way down. And so that can also lead to other issues where water will not only, just like, would you mind pulling that one back a little bit again, Dave? So on this side edge, water can actually get in through these screw holes, go into the wall, damage the wall, and or come back in here and damage the actual studs of the roof. So like here's the studs of the roof right here, and then there's the sheeting. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. We'll try to get some other videos from Dave as he's getting this thing completely removed and replaced. But make sure, again, if you haven't checked out our Grand Design in the RV shop with Dustin and the guys, we encourage you to do so. This is what we're doing, like updates. This is Dave. I'm Dustin. I can't flip the camera around to show you, but we're doing lots of stuff so that you can see what's going on and what we're doing and repairs that we're up against. So, all right, thanks again for watching. And hey, Dave, thanks so much. Keep up the good work.
Right on.